Onimuhan, you say, go for criticizing, go for cans and some neighbor cause accidents and all that. And then, after Soluku no area, no, who baby I could do. The catcher and say, was no young or tower, no crack. Now, I have told myself, say, Omubianu Obekas Mamma I am yada. Because I'm said, gabby die no one temple to see. Kakaka. By the time they will catch up, no years no corner name. And I'm a take media no so na share videos now they are free Soluku neighbor no. Na me raho. They into we mun na lead 8 years. 8 good years we mun na lead. No wonder see Ebuso original minister say more projects 5 I want to hear more. Asante Rebecca na mom run the office in Chem. He omunka asem bio manenya me ya bio da. He do mayi omagu anim anse o. Omagu anim Asante man pani. Asante man pani. Soluku ubetwi abetwi. Ntwi akora Soluku betwi abetwi. Now more no praise Soluku no. Omo criticizing ye nua no mo nketo ya. Ye do mo ko penti asokwai. Omo di o matem. Adwuma boys and girls na kwakoje no. Omo di penti say no. Me dream so omo superior knowledge and a superior project before for the region. Monja de na wakakoye obie di atem na Asante region na den yesra ma Asante region no ye wo ye ya adwemu da ho no ye doso pa che 38 na gu yani manse no eno ma gu yani manse pa o ma gu yani manse na I keep saying say omun ka se manenya me ya bio da tese usne wo yonkon wotawo no no kure usne wo yon e ka o monko no hu nanka me bo number 9 ma wo nanka me shegos ma wo and so it's too late now. If there's been any decision I've ever made in my life apart from decision I'm doing Mary or Papa Julieta, if there's been any other decision I'm making here any decision I'm defining you should say me cry no ma jenkwa. If there's any other decision I'm proud of her. My decision to join NDC. Now, Soluku Festival has proven every young person right. Say, when a young person now joining NDC, you are justified. You are justified. Muyo, yeah, the street art natwa, and the Soluku atwa. Street art near right, nifa right and nifa right. And a Soluku left. Mon type in the comment section I mentioned. Diahin abetusu. Obetusu Soluku and abetusu street art festival. Hey, now other regions, shall mu di attempt this Ashanti region at the baby anyhow. Munko Kwame A+ Gomwa or MPO or MP, content crow MP. Munko Kwame A+. Now the money man at the parliament who the Adrena Sakura Monko A+ was A+. Kwabena Agyarko Obuaye eye dwuma gomwa nanka fa ne die bi ye de ebremu maye mo he de maye we ene social media na me hu de course wo ha kombe ba bontia be cabrofa kese say after Soluku festival they've been able to attract 100 investors who are going to invest $100 million into the constituency. Now, brofu news are near the call. And so, in social media, feeling gadochi, Yahudi, Yahudi, Trium. And Babu, so we have one, M1. Now, Miko video there. Obide, senior high school student, or Barbesia award draw art for fair, our square interchange. What made na nifa. And what they another Babesia and before fan or more abuse, no. Me make some more abuse, more good animals. Abayo kama mu gu na nimas bo na United States su gu na nimas ana no so gina left Eraho he NPP ni bi nka se manenya wo ya da Sammy before me choose Soluku pa over free street art festival. NPP ni bi anka se manenya wo ya da. Miraho. Said ana won de me ya se o sa de ne to Kwame A+ ho. Wahu, mo de A+ ye mo gomu pa. A+ o. Yeah, A+ asem ne kan you. Mami ntwaso a aha meka satra. Me see NPP ni bi anka asem manenya me ya bio because ma hu say distance ye gab no so. Na ka SS40 ni koye art we. Yanko 25 million yanko boka. Mu bedi di o matem yo mo passa so me cause accidents. Emma mu tinu koto paint the best say art no. Mu hia hwe animgu asem magu Asante region. And imagine pa say NDC ni bi na ko organize the program we. I'm picking the pack a crib. And you remember how I'm coda. Miraho anymore. Anna, wouldn't come on so won't you? I did the Atom on their train of Moncran. And the street art festival tour near the Soluku tour. A radina cup. Chese, we Kwame A+ aduma wa je wo gomua wa MP o. Wona minister wa MP. Aduma Kwame A+ akoye wo gomua. Na mo ti Ashanti region le gu animas. Mu gu animas potozi. The videos and nam. Mini aba kama we dey mo original stage da enkofo aye no. Kabori. And you ready? I'm
something members of parliament. If Omunina can imagine fly, no. Yeah, it tells you why Asante man to me and Fabia, yes, Sanche Bibia, so say, we not go for the giant. And suddenly, no, Uncle Hunun aside the day. You said the woman Akukudru said the woman yet do Grumana. I ask myself, is audacity for me? Seven, maybe answer. And let Ukwa Kyeremanteng. A woman's a Kweku Annan. That's what a woman who both parties in there, yes, sir. A bit attracted the needed and relevant investment into the Eastern region. A+ as an individual more attention to Gomwa. Yes, one independent MP. Shatawale investment is worth $5 million. Poultry farm production. $5 million. Gomwa. Other companies in the car at the boy. Look at how strategically or shifting investment attention to the area. Now, here the Ashanti first, Padaruma, Yamia Sondaye. Now, they are found so now Ashanti first back. Now, within the Ashanti first, you know, yeah, who say, Nkwarabi is for far too long. We have not given them the needed credence. We've not motivated them enough. We've not even given them the platform to showcase what they've got. Nan day and cry each them real singing now. Some Ghana penny ben and commenting about street art festival. Or making generous donation towards it near there. This other district, adjoining district, a replica of it in there. But who say, well, near Kuma engineer Hamid said, Sa ye Sibuson Kenny, Unquara war in a visual advance of Kwaye no more, and painted the camera. Now, you better be Trump, you really are going to paint the Concord, your best say, Kwaye Juba. When we are say, wait, and yet, Omra, you go to Padi, Soluku, yeah, near train, and Kwaku form of food. Seven pennies. Se woto mo re koto ahini wa ho ahini kurumu na nyensa na abo. Clearly what they are doing shows say there is no hope in the alternative. There is not even an alternative. I don't think Asante Bediatuo so emboye ura doma manu ni NDC chidom. Asante Bediatuo so se ni enya ni so adi hu wo. Dr. Amubi mu no. Yen so kanye no mu na kanye no numda. Nasa kanye in the best name as Asante Forson to Profra. At least in the Muricrano. What means I don't know, but say Akufo Addo, a dreamer than a sabbatic car, yet the sale of the Zabon car as a quiet touching this of Fulaya, or did you have a caswamino? What minister says certificate in the bed in a tria. Now, I miss me every administrative contractors as a coswame. And that one of Wadanoma, a Juma made a so called from war, Agogo, and call. A free slave come and no crumble. I was so giddy. Some Kutwa. And now, Baby Guru said to the front place. Well, we are Genesis, we are bad Genesis. Light post near the bar. Ye didn't can you come a month for baby or Motenia there? And that's some Kutwa. We near the Asante Fisher, not Asante Bediatuo, not Asante Forson to Profra. Eti sisifia tibia ema muta 8%.
What kind of sisifia mwana kwa sisifia no mwana kwa sisifia no.
Robo adama.
Mwana kwa sisifia no mebwa.
Mwana kwa sisifia na obise no amwo omkwada no obwo ba na afi omakofo Soluku dia. Any we dey no bi de kumachu from 38 to 18 no. As I said, well, you don't need hears of phobia so be show munko onkom. Intimidate they make catch Asante baby and say, "Ya will meet to me no atwam. Ya the party will come through my atwam. Ya will man eko suku go sua de and a party be aba man akwanya say on showcase the talent and will be there man say mu twa no poa. Obi di penti kokko se oba no ani so de hunu ade aka be yi oba no so bia na wiase nyina be so oba na sene no ebi mu se no omwie no mfo mo dia mo so wo mudiri mbra mo se Soluku
atopadi
na se tete no kura no ka hwan na man ba ko Soluku ono bo hwan na man ba ko Soluku tete no eti we dia kwa ahwe atabrabo a asisi yeso so na mo die yi na papa ye die na papa Rama mani so adi hunu na papa endi se ni so adi hunu na papa eni na yi sum na yenje na yi a yin se ye ma santima ne kana mani na nipa no do so no bo na mi sha no aduma pa we
pia minia nakopon show na anyimedie mood ninye wo de kwa me ye plus aye wo gomu apa na wo de call so menshia south in fact mood ninye na waka asem bia man ma bia kusi say the same sisifia style na eko entro asu ade pakasa mo hanyum
good evening Asha so we
ani ade me ho ya ade pa so e
Asha boko
kasa me ho mi ti o
Let's try about your friend is a security wing or service. I shall matter be then may person be because if they like quite or how with me
who could do stage way
I shall medicals.
I could do medicals there and okay. Because more medicals in the present, like I say, or more increase quota. So unless you get a problem with the medicals, But once our medical will be okay, they should be fine. Because President I increase quota no. Okay?
Oh, okay.
And there is no fears whatsoever. Okay? Great. Good, Adepa. Oh yeah, Nancy. Thanks for joining. Okay, Nana, what's my name? Nana Kasamo.
Dr. Honorable 38. Good evening.
Good evening.
38 Romaka. Yeah, boy was made my power. Yeah, boy, sans my Ghana mine.
Ajumadasi.
Now, really, what is the decade to a bit of day to him? Me free such a quaman. And I feel Nana Debra. But dear cook, I saw you homecoming.
Homecoming.
You're calling. Yes, slow, honorable. Doctor is slow. You're quiet, no. By that other than it's a becan, no.
If you suta, a copa mine.
Well, would you free a suta, a copa,
so contractor.
Contractor was my and accident behind Yamen Kwa case, no.
Okay.
Dear Gusuno, next several corner, dear Gusuno. As a boarded dorsal.
Okay.
It's even Uber break cry. It's power.
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 Okay.
Contract and the quiet will beam, no matter by your quarter by a beam, tears slow.
No, many was aqua and hopper. Many was aqua.
That's it.
And I'll do the necessary for you, okay? Great.
That's one of them.
Okay, that's good. Okay. El Ray, and I didn't name Asante.
Ray, Asante, yeah. Honorable, my number 20 saying.
Namiado, me who also.
Yanko Pando. Wait, dear. Yamisra, we had a wasi, and yet do my pa, we are my Asante men. A binumu by 8 years. Or maybe Quatana radio station, Yabusana say, or my banso. Monumental project ben on my Asante Mantem went to me and come with you. Now, one Yanko Pafa was so. Now, Enkura, or Moonsan Numa. Bibinti, MPA. Nana Moson and Kurano, ye be who say or more talent, Yamia do more a friend say, acts our multimedia drawing in your manuma. Almost a day.
I'm seeing a more
I'm over if it's one more party, no. Or my pam Asante free party in one. I'm almost from Mosa or mobile bank in Asante Mantebo. And now a mobile bank, any Achim Chibi, any Wally. Or more the Bawumia about a first, I bet you a money no. Or must say Bawumia, a Juma Wayan war 5 northern regions. I watch Domama war mono, and Yan Lubini. And he come in war more, so more than your money 5 northern regions. No more year Juma war. Said your Baya Bawumia being a vote war. Na Achimche be mafia for no so or Mosupinya Bawumia, not Bawumia to be about power. And ya Santa Mine. And to Bawumia should forget Bawumia won my power and then my power tonight. Honorable, me pato, when you say, ya papa and Kojo Kyeremanteng, now who for the day culture center by.
Pa, now what they can Allan or the Allan as you near the Uda for Kwabena Agyarko or the party anymore. No, was it on Palan? Hey.
Now who for the day Kumasi culture center by you, when they see culture center. Esi zoo, Kumasi zoo. Aye, nyoma baby. Naba Allan no krano. Bawumia nintino no. Almost yana ye trouble Allan. Gyamfi, I felt the same. Allan no. I no na wofo aye bibia ma Asante no. Na wonu ankasa so aye bia ma Asante no. Unilever any Empretech and I'm Allan so. Bawumia nini si bi free Asante
I don't know ya bloody, ya emotional. Ya emotional. Ya emotional. Ya emotional. Emotional. Me say I say pass. So the come pass we Alan free party yeah. But to me na you treat you break me kaka. Oh I don't know. Unless I be to the dem crowd could do for. Oh I don't know. You say Alan so no. What the party a friend UP. Good evening. Rachel. Okay, good. Rachel, I'm listening to you because I'm home. At the same.
Listen, you're doing it in the home. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm sure. Let me say politics, but you're pastor who say it's empowerment. Remember, Konya so catch you go happy here. Okay, you must self-pay house help, self-pay, onya nanny, upese o, next new fee, upese onya home care. Which care use home, say, wow. Whilst I change posting, no, wait to me a DM, now you're the worker, your platform, now in your opportunity. I feel to say, oh, maybe now, Nana, will be here, so I always reach out to us, okay, so business at your websites, business at your non social media. I feel to say the evening, which is our charity foundation. This time around, May 9th, year outreach, health outreach, year screenings and donations. Montonso village. Yeah, more building while in city was in the shame say mobile boy, my etimia boy, mammy, with other health.
Okay.
It's a BP machines and other ways. Hopeson support and so I wait me up on the DM.
Pia. So that's Rachel. Thank you for that commercial break and that advert. And to more any of those categories, no. Say they were coming. Not what the enemy, no. Then you get to link up from there. Salome at the same. Good evening, Salome.
I don't know. Oh, Miss, no fun more life, Miss. Me feel free to let your life, so like me page and your job. But me for Central Region, NPP, Abeoku, Majuma Quantum side, okay. But yeah, is the case, yeah, you are a crown. Say, Banny, be Miss Yan news, sign your money.
Okay.
Banny say, chess sign your manna, a cohon because I can't remember a crash. I'm watching your manna, quite to say, is whom you know. So quite to say, yeah, is whom you know. Because recently I'm betting so much to see Venus and Minam. And no, ye may be on more moody shakers, but ye use now, yes, you see, Jimmy. Naka pacho, Indian Waka, and pacho one thing I have a pass, Cassie, our community, no way, Shukura community police station. Almost an on my parking motor, say, who on one. Since I say, Juma, was on for motor, Miss Age maybe by since I mean, ya shop, me age ma or Kanishi, I would do me on side. Okazu be Juma, unless it's over for motor, and I say over fast roach or sec or quine or soon. Overhead being you are your father, you do on my team, you really sorry no my it's your family to swear, we will not move to the Achio man, your map police station, and I say 500 cities. And I see your money licenses. It's not maybe the same patch. I didn't say maybe licenses for the police station. Now, maybe I should be not the licenses. Now, if you don't register licenses, you will honor my mom.
Okay.
Because it's a very difficult power community. Who for Kadabia or because you uncle. Because who's open it because one quick Juma and Tama, you be
okay.
My own tired with Shukra, teach you. We do on police station, any motors, any abundant cars, your party cars, but more much no machine, you.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's well noted. And then when we have a greater carried now Minister Bedi Hong then we see how best she can intervene. Again, motone sane manema and never in Naka on legislation number say as a regularizing woman, there should be means of making sure say and never to say the volcano registration license and no, it will be very much available to them. Into a good observation, I'll liaise again with DVLA boss to see what can be done with regards to this specific issue. The third one, and the first issue I'll raise here, with regards to say what free central region our greater crisis in it makes it difficult to follow or get opportunities in government. Okay, and the governance, there were two legs. The first leg, the government as it is. MCs, ministers, presidents, and all the other office holders you can find. In Tibebia will be irrespective of what district, try as much as possible to link up with your DCE or your assemblyman or your unit committee head, or link up with any of these structures. One link up with there. Only number or Juma or them. Obianu obetimi ehu say uhia de we and uhia de we. So link up on that angle. Ebiom, you say buy NDC buy. Usually omoka NDC buy when at the money bar. And so NDC buy no. At the papa badia so buy sika na de into so be na ho faso. At the money badia NDC buy. And what it means you say abai no a part be na wo abai no, which is NDC. And a war are buying them. And until the money buy and you say, NDC are buying. And what it means is saying, you cannot walk in the middle of the road. Most definitely, at a point, you have to belong here or belong there. And you are also belong in also. NDC are making that avenue available. Our constituency, there is a constituency secretariat with executives. And our polling station beyond there are polling station executives, from branch executives. Link up with them. Most definitely. Party who are buying, they will hear, they will know, they will be able to rope you in. That is how it works. And a buy in terms of a buy structure and material. Beyond a buy structure, there's a party who are buying. Link up with at any of these levels so that when things are happening, you'll be able to plug yourself in. I think that would help with first problem. In Ghana, as we speak, either 5 to 6%, 5 to 6% between the ages of 15 to 24. Okay, this was way higher than what we even came to meet in previous times. They are more than 14.7%. Okay, and the Obikaso Germany we still avert our minds to what are the numbers. And no one able to match up say whether you're doing well as a government and you're not doing well as a government. Yes, we believe and we know that there is more room for improvement. But again, if you don't avert your minds back to the numbers, you wouldn't be able to appreciate the increase and also the interventions the government has brought in. Okay, about 12 1 paper, and then a working day. So most definitely, I will say to me, this year, I want to thank you all for your support throughout this festival.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.